Hi there, my name's Sasha and DashNX Workshop is with you. That happens so that I have a day off. Yeah, I'm luckier than the cameraman, and I decided to spend it at my pleasure and make one very funny bauble. I'll call it a relaxator, which will work on the principle of a pendulum. Let's see what happens. We'll start from making a frame. It will turn out only in the dark to achieve the desired effect, and so that the light wood doesn't draw attention to itself, we'll paint it with a dark wood stain. While our frame is drying, we will make weights. They will play a role of pendulum, and we'll make them from ping-pong balls. After I split 12 balls with a childish angle grinder, we need to stuff them with gypsum mixture, so that they gain decent weight and can proudly be called pendulums. Our pendulums are ready, and it's time to assemble the construction on which we'll hang them. After I hang the balls in an inclined straight line, I start painting them with fluorescent paint so that they glow in the dark. Fluorescent paint has dried, and finally we can test our relaxator. In the meantime, you're enjoying the result. I completely went into a new project. And your likes, reposts and pleasant comments really speed up its release. So put likes and may goodness be with you from the X.